Hello and welcome to Infanor's Motion Made Easy series. In this episode we will go over the motor/drive selection tool located in the Motion Toolkit application. This assumes that you know your application's peak and continuous torque requirements along with the motor max speed. Start by opening the Infranor Motion Toolkit on your mobile device. Continue to the Toolkit button. Then open the motor/drive selection window. Next, choose the units you will be dealing with in your application. I will go with the metric units. Here we have 5 sections that will call for your application's requirements. In the previous tutorial, we had calculated the peak and continuous torques from the application's velocity profile and reflected inertia. I will use these values for my motor and drive selection. The max speed being used is 4,000 RPM. The peak torque needed is 3.18 Newton meters. The continuous or RMS torque needed is 1.06 Newton meters. My bus voltage is 320 volts DC and is based off the available power going to the drive. I will also keep the 20% safety factor. This gives a good margin for any unforeseen torques that may prevail in the system that were not calculated for. We can then press select to get a list of motors that fit the requirements. The smallest motor and drive solution is displayed at the top. Larger combinations are displayed at the bottom of the list. Keep in mind that the first selection is not always the best selection depending on the type of application. It may result in poor inertia mismatch, causing slow responding systems. This calculation will need to be done for each motor shown to get the best solution. The motor inertia can be found in the FP manual on our website. Infranor representatives are here to help you in your selections. I will end up choosing the FP0207 stock motor with the PAC AK 230 11 amp drive. Before any prices can be quoted, the motor and drive will need to go through the part number generators to see if further options are required. This will be explained in future tutorials. By using the contact button at the bottom, please feel free to contact us for more information. You can also find more information about our advanced slotless FP design on our USA and corporate websites. That concludes this episode. Thank you for watching.